We have been talking about this big summer that we had with the foundation. Hi, welcome back to the FMA Debrief. Today I'm here with Cindy Day. She is our senior manager for the foundation. We have been talking about this big summer that we had with the foundation, the summer manufacturing camps. We had over 300 this year, and they really give students across the country a taste of manufacturing.
Right, and we are proud to say that we had over 300 camps in 28 states across the country.
That's amazing.
This time of year is actually fun for us. The evaluations from the host organizations in schools across the country just provided us wonderful success stories. One of the comments we got from a host school was that they really got to know the students and their families through the summer manufacturing camp process. And now that some of their past campers are getting to be college age, they're seeing a transition from campers into college students. And they could not stress enough how important it was to reach them at an early age.
And we reached quite a lot of students this year.
We reached nearly 5,000 students.
That's amazing.
Again, across 28 states. We heard lots of comments back from the host schools that these camps are allowing them to reach not only the campers, but their parents as well. And those parents are able to influence the students into those career pathways.
Yeah, so it sounds like the camps are not only really beneficial for the students themselves, kind of opening up a whole new world for them, but also in turn the industry. So if you want to host a camp, we have applications where you can apply for that, correct?
Yes, the grant application is open now for 2026 summer manufacturing camps through December 1st, 2025.
So when you're submitting this application, part of what you're getting is grant support to host these camps. So how is the foundation able to do this?
SparkForce hosts several fundraising events per year, and we are really excited to announce that our SparkForce Awards Gala is coming up on Thursday, October 23rd. We present 3 awards to our donors and our outstanding camp hosts. Part of the gala is our exciting live auction and silent auction. We have entertainment and dancing, so it's a really fun night.
So the gala is just another way to support the foundation's efforts and bring these programs to more people every year, right?
That's our goal, is to expand it across the country.
Excellent, excellent. Well, thanks Cindy for being here. If you want to find out more about SparkForce, the foundation, and what we're up to, please go to sparkforce.org.